is not necessarily the sattvic food that you think of. Uh, you will find that there are certain people in the world, I mean, especially Christians or Muslims or whoever, they eat even non-vegetarian food, and yet they are sattvic in nature. So it really does not matter. It is all a mindset, as we call it. It's a mindset. You may think that eating vegetarian food, you are the greatest thing on planet Earth. Not necessary. You may be a carnivorous animal for all you care. You know, you will find that with most of the sages, there are lots of these creatures, and they move about. Do you think they are vegetarians or anything like that? No, it's all a set in the mind. So what happens is, just like we give up our sleep, automatically it is happening. It happens on its own. And how does it happen? Without your knowledge. Without your knowledge or understanding, you suddenly give up, and one day you say, "Arey, how come I am no longer eating non-vegetarian food? And what is this that I am not able to? I mean, earlier though I would eat non-veg food every single day, and now once in a while मैं करने लग गया हूँ." So it is all right. Pari, good morning. I think you are logged in through your iPhone or something. Yeah, all right, no problem. So the thing is, you are now used to a food which is something. I mean, you will say, oh my God, I am used to this bland food. There is no salt also in it, and I am feeling it is the most important food in my day-to-day life, and that is what happens very very naturally. It is nothing but your innermost being is not guiding you as far as your food is concerned. Your body says, we just eat for the sake of eating and not for the sake of any other thing.
For
I am not,
sustenance.
we are not eating for taste or anything like that. We are just eating for the sake of eating. It becomes what we call as a pure village life, where dal roti, yeah, roti, and even one onion, or in villages they have this, what we say, thetsa. Thetsa means the chutney made out of
Green chilies.
yeah, green chilies and a little, and they crush it and then they eat it with that. It really does not matter. So our food habits become like that. And as you move on to the higher in the spiritual, you will find that the food habits will then change according to our own, innermost one. That
Oh,
means that means what? The moment you say that the dearest one to me is Krishna, what Krishna loves is what you will love to eat. मतलब उसको अगर दूध पीने का है तो दूध. And imagine you may be having a milk intolerance. You know how many people have this milk intolerance? They don't like, they cannot sustain the milk in their body, and then there is a problem. But these same people will start eating milk only throughout the day, and then you will wonder कि अरे ये ऐसा कैसा होता है. So you will find that these changes in the habits happen because of our movement in the spiritual, and it is the spiritual which is guiding us and nobody else. Now let us say, for example, how this guidance happens. Okay, you will find that in the earlier stages of life, uh, teacher told you in school, when you are standing here and giving a speech, you have to put your hands behind your back, stand straight, look in front of you, and then speak. You know how many times our teacher have told us, this is the way you should speak. Keep your eyes straight. Don't look here and there. Don't fidget. Okay, conditioning. We are conditioned to speak like that. And then as you develop, then you may join the drama school or in your school and all that, and then you start becoming an actor, and then you emote, and then you move your hands and legs, and then you have a style of your own for the sake of, even an elocution. You will say, good morning everybody, and then you'll start with a particular methods. As you move on, you will become extempore. you will completely take charge of the situation and speak. You would have prepared it in your mind. Slowly, as you move along, you will find that you don't even need that example. You don't need topic also for discussion. You can start on a topic and you can be the leader over there. So now every time when I look at what Pari puts up, she is going to do on the 12th or on the 15th. There is this man, you know. Now in the month they would select a topic and they would discuss as per how the different countries and their heads would talk in the United Nations. Now, these are topics which are of primary importance as of now. There may be some, North Korea is trying to start an arms race and they want to blast and do something or the other. Or in the United States, there is an economic problem. Or in Mali, where France has, is bombarding all the Islamic outposts. Now, these are primary things which are hitting us every single day of our life. And you will wonder, टिम्बुक्टू करके हमने नाम तो सुना था लेकिन टिम्बुक्टू इज अ प्लेस इन दैट country and there the troops are driving everybody. The Rafales are hitting their outpost and killing them by the dozens. So you really wonder कि ये सब क्या है, and that is a topic you may take up. Now see, the flow of this happened so smoothly. Where I was and where I am. Where is Mali in the picture? Yet Mali has become an example. Do you see the whole flow of this conversation? It's not a conversation, though I am the only one talking, but you will find that this is exactly how it works. You don't even need a tool, you don't even need a book. It's not even a memory. It's not even a memory. It suddenly flows like
spontaneous.
Absolutely, absolutely. So this is not guided by the mind. This is guided by the inner being, because the flow of thoughts which are unmotivated are happening from the intellect, which is called the divine intellect, or what we say as the pure intellect. It is not motivated. Here you are not trying to pander somebody. You are not even trying to please your own self. There is no such thing as pleasing your own self. You just say some words. In the same way, this inner being is actually leading you up the path without your own knowledge. So without your mind knowing anything, imagine the intellect, which is called the pure intellect, is leading this body straight without the mind even knowing about it. The mind has no clue that he is being led. ऐसे नाक को पकड़ के उसको लेके जा रहा है. Okay, and just because the mind wants to have its importance, later on it will say, देखो मैंने है ना खाने का छोड़ दिया. Okay, and you say, okay boss, you are the greatest thing on planet Earth. अच्छा तू अभी vegetarian बन गया. Very good. And you feel happy, and your Anandmay Kosh is completely full of bliss. There is no such thing as I need to eat mutton and chicken and all that. Or whatever comes your way, you are happy with it. Then I said, as you move into the second unmanifest, the moment you are moving over there, you are guided again. Okay, this guidance comes from this domain. That particular domain that is there is guiding you. Then the food that comes about would be like a chappan bhog, as if being offered to the Lord. And then you will say कि आज हम ये करेंगे, आज हम वो बनाएंगे, आज हम वो बनाएंगे. अरे तुम्हारे आइटिनरी में आज तक 4 प्रकार की खीर बनाई थी तुमने. मतलब एक रवा, एक सेमिया. सोचो ना, यही 4 प्रकार की तुम लोग खीर बनाते थे. And here suddenly you will find 4 नहीं, यार I can do 365 days के लिए 365 types का. And your flow of the juices, what we say ना कि I want to do this, I want to do. What? Why are you wanting to do this? You will find that you are being again motivated without your own knowledge. जैसे कि Krishna is sitting bang in front of you and telling you, देखो आज मैं ये खाना चाहता हूं. And you say, of course boss, I will make it for you. And that is how it happens. So our taste changes, our entire outlook changes.
Because the Rasika is Krishna.
Yes, exactly the point. Now you would think about it. I was in the first stage, it was my ahankara which was guiding me. Then it was this Brahma which was guiding me. Brahma is about what? Singularity, isn't it? It is about Advaita,
Right.
correct? So the Advaitic people think मेरे जैसा अकेला कोई नहीं है. It's still an ahankara which they don't realize. It is that I shall not eat meat. Advaita. The Advaitic people have notions. Those of the Brahmagyan, those who are Brahmagyani, they have specific notions. God has given me this command. I got to do it. And then we come to this path which is full of love and devotion, guided only by one person. He's a smooth talker, मस्का लगाता है वो बहुत. तो किधर से क्या smoothness लेके आएगा पता ही नहीं चलेगा. The sweetness of it all. You know how the sweetness it? वो तुम्हारा शेंडी लगाएगा कब भी है ना कि you will not even know. बोला आज मैं दूध का मलाई खाना चाहता हूँ. I mean, earlier you would have said, Malai, oh my God, 100 kilocalories in fat. And here you are having a big pot of Malai. And you are not even thinking about it. And then you say, कितना मस्त लगा ना. कल भी हम लोग नहीं नहीं कल मैं वैनिला डाल के खाऊंगा. लोग कर लो बात. ये तो आइसक्रीम का है ना रेसिपी बनाने का चालू कर दिया है तुम्हारे लाइफ में. सोचो. This is the wonderment of the world of Krishna. It is a very beautiful world there, and your ego is demolished. You are no longer dictating anything to anybody. You think you are dictating. This is the funny part in his world. Every time when you come up with, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. I am only a pure vegetarian. अच्छा मेरे साथ रहने के बाद वेजिटेरियन क्या मैं तेरे को कुछ भी खिलाऊंगा. This is the one part. And then that which you were refusing to do, you are actually doing it and not knowing you're doing it. इतना अजीब हो जाता है दुनिया में. So, it really does not matter what you are eating, what you are not eating. जैसे कि मैं जब भी आया तभी पहले अगरबत्ती आई डोंट वांट टू लाइट जब भी स्टार्ट हुआ तभी. और उसके बाद 3 अगरबत्ती ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश के लिए. फिर उसके बाद सी द फनी पार्ट. देन एक ही देने का उसमें स्मेल नहीं होना चाहिए. फिर उसके बाद अभी मैं मैसूर तक जाके ना अगरबत्ती लेके आ सकता हूँ. बोला वहां का सुवास बहुत अच्छा है. क्यों? अभी रसिका है. Can I have the best in the world? This is the funny part in our world. We don't even know we are led by this direction. Understood? Okay. Next, is there any other question?
Thank you, Bob.
Welcome.
Nice question, Aparna.
Yes, Senthil, you are saying something. Yeah. See, mind is something that is having a mind of its own. Okay? Yeah, really, you will not even believe that the mind is leading you all over the world. You won't even
Mind
realize
tricks.
it. Yeah, you won't even realize it कि वो तुमको कभी उसने घेर लिया है. And this mind which is overtaking you is called Maya. Okay. Maya is actually, it's like a hook, and you are the fish. You got trapped in it. You don't even know. And what do you think? I am eating the bait. If you don't know it's a bait. Actually, you don't know it's a bait. You think that you are not doing anything. And this is actually full of desires. You don't even have the clue that these are desires. If you think for a moment with your powerful intellect, is this a desire? I have learned that I need not have desires. And then this great person from the middle will speak, mind will speak. No, 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 it's not a desire. It is all towards the, emancipation. You are getting very much ahead in your race. It will tell you, तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. Don't bother about it. See what Guruji said yesterday. You can eat meat. Go eat. So the same words are getting twisted by your mind. I have not said that you can eat meat. What did I say? वो जो तुम्हारा टेस्ट है वो तुम कंटिन्यू रख सकते हो, अपने आप गिर जाएगा. इट्स गोइंग टू फॉल ऑन इट्स ओन. या पद्मा, that your this thing was on microphone. Anyway, so what happens to this person? He is being driven by his mind. The mind is telling him, don't worry, it was mentioned that you can eat meat also. Oh, then I can. And if you are just asked, अरे तुम चिकन खा रहे हो? Once in a while, it's not a problem. See, I am not, I'm not an addict to it. I mean, this is your mind talking again. I am not an addict to it. I can give up any time I want. Actually, I have given up. I am a sage, you see. But it has come to me on its own, so I am eating it. What has happened is, घर में तुम्हारा KFC का वाउचर आके गिरा था, हाँ, और बाहर जा रहे थे तो तुमने वो, oh, I am getting about $2 discount on this. Let me take it and go. Who has told you this? Your mind. You don't even know your mind is leading you towards picking up those vouchers. Do you get this? So your mind is actually leading you and not the other way around. You are not leading the mind. And the mind is very silently तुम्हारा नाक में ऐसा एक है ना रस्सी डाल के तुमको खींच रहा है. And making you think logically कि no, you are doing the right thing in your world. This is how mind works. All right? Please understand, in this material world, Maya is a very, very strong thing. You cannot overcome Maya. Nobody in this world has been able to overcome Maya. So, the path that we normally speak in our material world is, ये हम लोग जितने भी सांख्य योगा किया है, कर्म योगा किया, ये सब है ना, बोले यार एक याद रखो, ना तुम सांख्य योगी बन सकते हो उतना अपना है ना मेमोरी ला. अपने पास रैम है 128 का, 128 MB रैम is all that we have, and here we are trying to have a TB का रैम. अभी मिलियन टेराबाइट्स का रैम अपने पास किधर से आएगा? नहीं आता है. तो तुम एक तो सबसे पहले ना, the more you are trying to become a Sankhya yogi, the more complicated your mind is getting, and the more complicated your mind is getting, the more ego comes in the way, and then you want to tell the world, it is written in the Vedas that you should not be doing this. And Krishna is looking at you and saying, अच्छा तेरे बाप ने लिखा वेदा, तो साला डिस्टॉर्ट कर रहा है उसको। वेदा में लिखा है, you know, there is one beautiful line in the Bhagavad Gita where he says, वेदास लिखा रहेगा या कुछ भी लिखा रहेगा, तुमको क्या करने का है? You know, we have done that line. I don't know whether you noticed it.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't bother about all those things. The people, those who want to, you know, dish out Vedas and give you all those foolish meanings, have no clue what is the meaning of Sankhya Yoga, have no idea about Karma Yoga, and they are not even my bhakts, so don't bother about them. They are the egoistic, you know, educated type of people for the material world. It's like and they are like a philosophy, a book of philosophy. Okay. To give you an example, very funny example this is. Who is the father of psychology? Anybody? Yeah.
Sigmund Freud.
Yeah, Freud. Freud was a big fried egg. ओके, वो जितना जितना उसने थियरीज दिया उतना वो पागल था. If you learn, if you read his biography, you will come to know every aspect that he mentioned, whether it is delusions and all that, he was himself delusional. अभी पागल आदमी पागल के बारे में लिख सकता है ना कि नहीं? अगर सही आदमी रहेगा वो पागल कैसा बिहेव करता है थोड़ी लिख सकता है. I mean, tell me some. Please understand, when you actually go through an experience, can you write about the experience? Okay. Can I write about somebody whom I don't even know from Adam? No, I can't. All right. There is always going to be a disconnect. So now think about it. Now, there are people in this world who are writing on subjects. They can write better if they are into that matter. You got what I'm trying to say? You see, when Anna Hazare is talking about how to run the government, how will Anna Hazare know how to run the government? Tell me. He has never been in the government.
So
You
be a
can't.
crusader.
Yeah, he is good as a crusader or whatever that he is doing. I am not saying that he is doing a great job or he is not doing a great job. You can't have crusaders in the parliament. I'm sorry, you cannot have those type of people. There is this person in Poland. Pari will now look in. There is this person in Poland who was responsible for the revolution a few years ago. It was an industrial revolution. It was basically a revolution which Poland had never seen before. I don't know whether you recollect the name of this person. His name was Lech Walesa. Okay, a very important persona in the creation of the new Poland. Now wonder, can he rule the country? कितना देर करेगा भैया? You can't. So he basically a union leader. You can run unions, you can't run countries. Got it? So in the same way, there are people who can spout about the Vedas and the Shastras without reaching the state of the self. Okay? They are giving you knowledge by hearsay. Hearsay, they have read it in the books, so they can dish out knowledge to you. It is written in the Shastras. It is written in the Vedas. अच्छा, क्या लिखा है? I can quote the scriptures. This is the scripture. वो ऐसा ही बोलेगा तेरे को. अब बोला तू जैसे बात करता है ना वैसा मेरा है ना सीडी प्लेयर भी बात करता है, उसको भी आता है. हाँ. So it actually doesn't mean a thing. All right. So the mind talks and you don't know it's talking. You will be wondering, कि ये क्या बोल रहा है. And then you will say, no, my inner self is talking. अरे inner self का talk को पहले है ना, you should give it a chance. So this reasoning part, please understand, is your crooked intellect which is doing. The pure intellect, poor thing, is just sitting in the corner. बोला देखो ये सोचता है अपने आप को बड़ा. Like Sachin Tendulkar has given a statement, I can swing any bat. Oh, yeah. He was playing golf. अच्छा, हम लोग उसको देख के यही बोल सकते हैं, अच्छा भैया, ऑल राइट, हाँ तू बन जाना. वो एक है ना अमेरिकन, वो सबको,
टाइगर वुड्स.
हाँ तू भी टाइगर वुड्स बन जाना. अपना टाइगर तो चला गया, यहाँ था पटौड़ी. तो अभी तू बन जाना टाइगर यहाँ पर. इट्स नो. So now think about it. There are people, those who are singers, they want to start restaurants. How is singing connected to the restaurant? Can you tell me? क्या गाते गाते मैंने मिर्ची डाला, मैंने ये डाला, मैंने धनिया डाला, अब इसको हिलाया, ऐसा करके वो गाना गाने वाला है क्या उसमें? I really wonder, when they are talking of, so it's their mind talking. Of course you can do it. Shh, listen to me. Okay. So doing your part means what? What you are good at, you should do. बाकी दूसरे के इसमें हस्तक्षेप नहीं करने का. मतलब तुम अन्ना हजारे है तो जाके पार्लियामेंट में मत बैठो, तुम तुम्हारा काम करो. गांधी जी ने कैसा किया था? गांधी जी ने सीधा बोल दिया, बॉस अपने को नहीं आता है, मैं पार्लियामेंट में नहीं जा सकता है. हाँ, एक तो अपने पास टाई बूट सूट भी नहीं है. हाँ, मैं तो खाली एक धोती पहन के आता हूँ. तुम लोगों को तकलीफ होगी वहां पे, सब अरमानी पहनने वाले लोग हैं. उस टाइम पे अरमानी नहीं था, अरमान थे. You know what Arman means?
Yeah, lofty desires.
Yes, they had all desires in the parliament. But today we have Armani. So that is how it is. Yeah, Padma, you were asking me something.
No, I wasn't asking.
Okay. So we can, anybody else? Nobody else. All right. So where were we? Can you tell me? 6 number tha na apna.
We have to start verse 11.
Huh?
Verse 11, chapter 6.
11. Acha. And now this is a very interesting verse. Okay, it's going to tell you technology, and it is so contorted, distorted, or whatever, that you will wonder कि ऐसा सब में, all the PETA people are going to run after you. PETA, ना? हाँ. अब सोचो अभी इसके बाद. Having set his seat in a spot which is free from dirt and other impurities, with the sacred kusa grass, a deer skin, oh my God, and a cloth spread thereon, once upon the other, kusa below, deer skin in the middle, and cloth uppermost, neither very high nor very low. And occupying that seat, concentrating the mind and controlling the functions of the mind and senses, he should practice yoga for self-purification. Now think about it. तुम डियर स्किन लेके आ रहे हो, राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट में जाके केस लड़ना पड़ेगा सलमान खान के साथ बैठ के. यस, वो ब्लैक बक को मारने को गया था वो, और वो 4 जन, और सबको जाके उधर जेल में बिठाया, और यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं डियर स्किन लेके आओ. हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से वो DEER नहीं होना चाहिए, DEAR होना चाहिए. डियर स्किन मतलब तुम तुम्हारा चमड़ी उतार के बैठो. समझ में आया? So the thing is, it's not about deer skin. Let us try to see what Krishna is talking. He is talking about first purity. Okay, that means what is your idea about purity? Some people will say, मैं घर में सबसे पहले कचरा निकालती हूँ, उसके बाद उस जगह को मैं वो कौन सा पाउडर आता है, या फिर हार्पिक या पता नहीं, ऐसे कुछ तो भी नहीं, वो क्या वो क्लीनर रहता है, हाँ लाइजॉल, हाँ लाइजॉल डाल के मैं क्लीन करता है. फिर उसके बाद पानी डाल के, and I buy Bisleri after that and put Bisleri on top of it. It is, purest water. And then I wipe it clean. अच्छा, तुमको मालूम है तुमने जिससे वाइप किया वो तुम्हारे लाइजॉल से गंदा था या तुम्हारे प्योर वाटर से एकदम ही बकवास था? वही गंदा क्लॉथ हम लोग यूज करके फिर बोलते आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्योरिटी इन दिस वर्ल्ड। कभी झाड़ू को धोते हुए सुना है? झाड़ू निकालते हो डेली, जिससे निकालते हो, कभी झाड़ू को धोया है तुमने? नहीं। तो प्योरिटी किधर का है? वो वैक्यूम क्लीनर से वैक्यूम करते हैं। वैक्यूम क्लीनर को कभी वैक्यूम किया है क्या? नहीं। I mean, look at us, look at our funny way of looking at life. We are supposed to be making the thing cleaner. अपना खुद का washing machine is dirtier than the dirtiest. Correct? So, what is the meaning of the word pure? It's only the purity of the mind, nothing beyond that. You may be sitting in Antarctic with about 100 penguins around you, does not matter. उनका गंदा स्मेल भी आता रहेगा। कितना पेंगुइन के यहाँ पे जाके खड़ा रहेगा ना, तो तुमको है ना, उसके बाद पेंगुइन जितना मस्त चिकना दिखता है ना, कभी नहीं, तुम पेंगुइन का पिक्चर भी नहीं देखेगा।
Any bird for that matter. No?
Yes.
In Ranganti too also, it was stinking so much.
Yep. So, you don't want to even come close to them. So, whereas the question of purity is concerned, it is not at all the purity which you think we are supposed to have. Wearing white clothes, okay? हम लोगों के यहाँ मैयत में व्हाइट क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं। मालूम है मैयत समझ में आया? When we go to drop the dead bodies, we wear white clothes. All right? So does it mean that when you wear शुभ्र झा ये वो रिम की चमकार वाला टाइप का ड्रेस एकदम व्हाइट कलर का, भला मेरी कमीज तुम्हारी कमीज से सफेद कैसे? यू थिंक दैट इज प्योरिटी? द सफेद कमीज इज नॉट प्योरिटी। साईं बाबा का कभी तुमने है ना कफनी देखा रहेगा ना, तो बोलेगा ये कितना गंदा है, कैसे पहनता था ये, मालूम नहीं। इट वॉज कॉल्ड कफनी।
कफन, okay.
हाँ, जो डेड बॉडी को पहनना थे उसको बोलते हैं कफनी। अंडरस्टैंड? And that was his purity. So the purity is not at all concerned about outer wear, outer garment, place we sit, the way we sit, on what we sit. It has nothing to do with purity per se. What is he talking about? First, you have to clean your mind of all the dirt that you are carrying from this universe. So if you are not able to sleep in the morning, you are actually not carrying any dirt from the universe at that point in time. Your mind is the purest. At the end of the day, you know how much of dirt you have carried. पूरा दिन बॉस का 50 गाली सुन सुन के तेरा माइंड में है ना इतना एसिड तूने डाल के रखा है ना कि पूछ मत। उल्लू का पट्टा, किसने इसको मैनेजर बनाया मालूम नहीं। We have been pouring out venom the whole day.
You're bitter through the day.
Yes. And then घर में आने के बाद बीवी के ऊपर, फिर बच्चे, फिर टीवी। ओके, I mean the sequence है ये पूरा। ओके, and then at the end of it, वो तुम्हारा बेड भी तुमको है ना बोलेगा साला ये बहुत नरम भी नहीं है। अच्छा, बेड नरम नहीं है, इतने वर्षों से तो उसके ऊपर सोते आए हो। नो, टुडे इट इज हर्टिंग, माय बैक इज नॉट प्रॉपर, इट इज हर्टिंग मी समवेयर। अच्छा, एंड देन यू विल से ये तकिया भी कितना है यार बकवास, और एक 2-4 मैं लेके आता हूं, आई शुड बाय अ न्यू वंस। ऑल राइट, एंड यू आर कर्सिंग एवरी डैम थिंग इन दैट प्लेस। नाउ नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग एट द ब्रह्म मुहूर्तम व्हेन यू गॉट अप, none of this kachara is with you. The whole night whatever has happened is पूरा डिसइंफेक्टेंट डाल के ना वो क्लीन हो गया है तुम्हारा माइंड, सब कीड़ा मकोड़ा को मार के रख दिया. So next morning your mind is pure, clean. It is not carrying any kachra patti from anywhere. And that is the place you can sit. It's the most sattvic places. So it is not about purity like that. It is about when you can sit, at what time you can sit. Your mind is clean. It is not carrying any kachra. Alright? I am explaining this concept about how to make the place pure and clean. Okay. Then the next is comfort level. The more comfortable you are not going to move your ass. इधर दुखता है, उधर दुखता है, ऐसा हो गया. No, I should sit like this. You know how many times we change our place? Correct? What does it mean by sitting perfectly? You can sit in one place and not move yourself at all. समझ में आया? No, don't worry, you will not have rigor mortis. You know what rigor mortis is? Yeah. So rigor mortis is when a dead body is kept for a very long time. All the blood comes down and it settles down and it becomes literally like a stiff thing. No, when you are sitting for this, whatever that you are going to do now, you won't get into all those things. First, mind in here. Your mind is not in your ass, so you are not bothered about it. No, seriously, I am telling you, your mind is in your ass. That is why you are thinking, "ये बराबर नहीं होता है, वो ऐसा करना चाहिए, वो ऐसा करना चाहिए." You are moving it like all over the town. So here, what happens is your mind is in the right place, so you are not bothered how you are sitting. You are just trying to sit comfortably. So he is telling you all these things, sitting comfortably. And he has given you 3 layers to sit on. What are the 3 layers?
Grass.
उसके बाद उसके बाद कपड़ा. Yeah. Okay. Now what are the 3 things? 1. First is called the kusa grass. Kusa grass is connected to what? Then the deer skin and then the cloth. These are 3 things which are connecting us in our material world. We need to insulate from this. The insulation of the material world. Okay? The insulation of the material realms has to be done. Okay? Now, if you go and see, we wear cloth for the purpose of covering our body, basically. Covering our body, isn't it? The reason why we cover our body is because we are ashamed of ourselves. Right or wrong? Have you ever noticed how a yogi sits? He sits naked on that. He's sitting on top of it. Or he may be just wearing a kashti, basically a small langoti. Does not matter. So he is actually naked to the world. And below him, the first layer on top is cloth. Cloth. Second layer is skin. Deer skin. I told you, DEAR. Deer skin. पहला कपड़ा है बाहर, उसके बाद डियर स्किन है. वो तुम्हारे चमड़ी से तुमको अलग करना चाहता है. चमड़ी. We are so much bothered about our bodies. Right? So he is insulating you from the body also. Get out of this body. I don't care a damn about your body. You please, can you keep your body aside? So overcoming this, then the skin. That is the next part. All right. Then what is it that is there? Then the next layer is called kusa grass, and the last one is earth. You are sitting on the earth, isn't it? The kusa grass, that which grows on the earth. The earth means what? The earth is nothing but the thing that we are born with here. The five bodies that we are actually carrying, material manifestation. Manifestation means you have got manifested in the material world in the form of five elements, isn't it? Five elements, hai na? Okay, these five elements constitute this. Now remaining kusa grass. Now kusa grass is nothing but the multiple thoughts that keep on coming in our material world, which are connecting us from the material body to the material self. The body hai, okay, to this. Yeah, Padma, you can. So this is connectivity which we are supposed to disconnect from. So you sit on top of it. Those are multiple thoughts. The last one, Aparna must have missed out. So the five bodies which constitute the earth, and then the material body, which is basically always connected to the multiple thoughts and the mind over there. So insulating it from all these things, you are sitting on top of it. How are you sitting? And there he is telling you how you need to sit. So nobody is harmed while the making of this film. They always have a disclaimer, no? So no deer was harmed while making of this film, and no grass was also. Okay. So thereupon, neither high nor very low. You have to be in the middle, on the earth, the plane of neither high nor low. High, low. हाई बोलेगा तो भगवान का लेवल, लो बोलेगा तो डेविल का लेवल, मतलब डीमंस. अपन को बीच में बैठने का है, ऊपर भी नहीं नीचे भी नहीं, अपना लेवल में आके बैठना है. Occupying that seat, concentrating the mind and controlling the functions of the mind and the senses, you should practice yoga for self-purification. Now that you are getting out of all these bodies, it is better to start the process of self-purification. So all the thoughts need to be cut. उसके बाद all the mental images that are there have to be cut. You have to shut down all the imagery in front of you. That means I am XYZ. My name is Anthony Gonsalves. Stop it. Don't talk. Don't let your mind keep on telling you who you are. It will tell you. You are so and so. You are the son of so and so, husband of so and so, wife of so and so. No, you have to disconnect from all this. You are nothing connected with that. You are the pure divine self. Okay? Holding the trunk, head and neck straight and steady, remaining firm and fixing the gaze on the tip of the nose without looking in other direction. Now this is how you need to sit. You need to sit erect. The Meru Danda, as we call it, the back, English में बोलेगा तो back has to be erect, straight, all right? ऐसा S shape में नहीं बैठने का, ऐसा bend down भी करके नहीं बैठने का. टीचर ने बोला था स्कूल में stand straight. So even in this, when you are sitting, you have to sit straight with your spine like this, erect. You are not going to slouch and sit. Don't slouch and sit. So when you sit erect, comfortably, you are not here in the army. Attention. ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हम लोग. We are not here in the army saying attention. We are basically saying you have to be erect. मतलब comfortably. All right. That means the three levels have to be correctly positioned. So your spinal cord is exactly standing straight. Okay. It is not bent in any direction. So how do you do it? Holding the trunk, the head and the neck steady, and the gaze The gaze has to be on the tip of the nose. Why it has to be on the tip of the nose? क्योंकि दूसरा कुछ नहीं देखने का. समझ में आया? दूसरा इधर उधर मत देखना, ऐसा 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 नहीं. मालूम है देयर इज अ पिवट अरेंजमेंट ओवर हियर, तो 360 डिग्रीज में 180 डिग्रीज में इधर उधर देख सकते हैं हम लोग. वो देखने का नहीं, सीधा. And you have to look at the tip of your nose. Basically what you are trying to do is you are focusing on your breath, so your mind is not going to run away anywhere. समझ में आया? You know, the only time in the day when you focus on the breath, now Aparna will tell you, when you fart, you are focusing on your breath. Otherwise the rest of the day we are not focusing on the breath at all. We don't even know we are breathing. So without looking in other directions, इधर उधर देखने का नहीं, सिर्फ अपना ब्रेथ को समझने का, दूसरे का ब्रेथ को नहीं. नहीं तो कोलगेट का याद आएगा. Yeah. Firm in the vow of complete chastity and fearlessness, keeping himself perfectly calm and with the mind held in restraint and fixed on me, the vigilant yogi should sit absorbed in me. Firm in the vow of complete chastity. मतलब उस टाइम पे ना मल्लिका शेरावत, ना और किसी का, ना चिकनी चमेली या ये सब का ख्याल नहीं लाने का. You know, when you sit in one place, look at the way your mind wanders. वो पूरा दुनिया, चिकनी चमेली मैंने इसलिए बोला क्योंकि it's just a fun phrase. Basically it is trying to tell you, anything that you are interested in, your mind is going to run after that. You sit in one place and see for yourself, and you try to say, no, now I am not going to have any thoughts. Your mind is going to go to a place which is full of desires. Okay, let us say for example, you are running short of funds. So the mind immediately jumps into that. Oh, इस रूट की लाइन व्यस्त है, बाकी का सब लाइन व्यस्त है, खाली एक लाइन में मेरा गाड़ी जा सकता है. बोले माय गॉड, आई एम रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ फंड्स, अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरे को फंड्स गैदर करना पड़ेगा. योर माइंड इज टॉकिंग, ओके, एंड बाय द टाइम आफ्टर 5 minutes यू आर स्वेटिंग. मेरा क्या होगा? And then the next thought that you have is, oh my god, I'm going to get into big trouble, I don't know. So you were trying to meditate, and this is what happens. So meditation means locking on to one object, focusing on that object and going in that direction. All right, and here your meditation is how big a fool you are, not having any money in this world, you are not capable, and your mind is giving you all the downside of this universe. This, now what we are trying to learn is exact reverse of this. You have to clean the mind. Remember we were talking about cleaning the mind? Yes. Now we have cleaned our mind. So because our mind is pure, it does not have any thought. What the answer? Because it does not have any thought, so it is easy for us to have complete chastity. There is no tainting happening. You were not chaste when you were thinking about money or Mallika Sherawat or Chikni Chameli or whatever. Here, because you are not having any more thoughts, so you are completely chaste. Madonna बोलती है, like a virgin touched for the very first time. ऐसा वो गाना तुम गा सकते हो मांगता है तो. By whom? By me. End में बोल रहा हो me. So you are literally like a virgin sitting over there, chaste person and fearless. Okay, fearless बोलेगा तो किसी का डर नहीं, nothing. किसी चीज का डर नहीं. Remember, the moment the thought of money came, what happened? You started sweating after 5 minutes. Fear came in you, isn't it? अब मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा तो सब लुट गया, बर्बाद हो गया, मैं अब कहीं का नहीं रहा. ये सब एक ही हंगल टाइप का डायलॉग तुमको याद आएगा. नहीं आता है. क्यों? Because you have become fearless. Nothing in this world can shake you. Please understand this. To have the purity, chastity, and then fearlessness. डर किस बात का? I mean, who are you afraid of? Nobody. You should not be afraid of anybody. So you become fearless and you sit in that meditation. Okay? And then what do? Keeping himself perfectly calm and with the mind held in restraint. You are perfectly calm. There is nothing which is disturbing you. मेरा 8 बजे का अलार्म बजेगा, कोई जरूरी नहीं है, और बजे तो बजे, तुम्हारा क्या है? You know something, if you are lost in your deepest concentration on the Lord, वो 8 बजे का अलार्म बजे या 10 बजे का अलार्म बजे, it really does not matter, because if your appointment was supposed to be there at 9 o'clock and 8 o'clock you are supposed to get ready, that appointment is already cancelled. You don't even know that. Because you are being driven by this. The Lord is driving this universe. You are not. तो वो प्लेन उड़ेगा भी नहीं. Sorry, don't worry about it. समझे? Nothing is going to happen. Everything is controlled by this universal persona, the great one. So, perfectly calm. So don't bother about 8 बजे मेरे को जाके कुछ करने का है या 10 बजे कुछ करने का है, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Just don't bother about it. You will wake up at the right time. You will get a sudden knock, tock, tock. Material world का knock आएगा, बोला अब तुम आ जाना बाहर. अब मम्मी बोलेगी अभी तुम उठ के आ जा. So you will come. So don't worry. That all that clockwork precision is there in this universe. So you have to keep calm, absolutely calm. Now that you are fearless, you will be calm, isn't it? Fear रहता तो काम का सवाल ही नहीं आता. ऐसा थरथरते हैं हम लोग. प्रिंसिपल आता था तभी हम लोग को सुसु होता था चड्डी में. As a child, how scared you are of the principal. In 3rd standard and 2nd standard, principal is coming. टीचर ने बोला कि है ना, आपने को ऐसा डर लगता था कि कोई भूत आया करके. बहुत डर लगता था. एंड लेटर ऑन प्रिंसिपल आया गया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. जैसा कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल आता है ना, प्रिंसिपल का सामने भी जय हो पार्टी के नाम से हम लोग गालियां देते. I still remember many years ago, my principal, I was sitting with a tent outside the college, okay, and I was saying, ये मेरा principal मुर्दाबाद, college मुर्दाबाद, ये मुर्दाबाद, वो मुर्दाबाद, सब. So the principal came to ask, to talk to us, and then he's asking me, which class you are in? तो मैंने उसको बोला, give me your identity card. I said, I don't have it. So you are not from this college? No, I am from this college. So where is your identity card? Why are you not carrying it? So I said, sir, you have taken it. At the beginning of the year only you had taken it. I am without I card. What to do? And believe it or not, just before my examination, they sent that identity card by registered post, and it was brand new. मतलब सबका आई कार्ड का है ना, ऐसा डल होके है ना, ऐसा ढीला हो गया रहता है. मेरा तो एकदम ऐसा फोल्ड में मस्त से पैकिंग करके उन्होंने मेरे घर में भेजा. इमेजिन दैट. तो ऐसा भी होता है. तो हम लोग पहले प्रिंसिपल को बहुत डरते थे, 2nd स्टैंडर्ड, 3rd स्टैंडर्ड, 4th स्टैंडर्ड में. हाँ, और मेरा प्रिंसिपल तो बड़ा केन लेके घूमता था, तो हम लोग को तो और डरते थे हम लोग. So fear comes in a person. But here, what is the fear? See, please understand what are the basic fears that we have. The biggest fear is of death. You try asking an old man, old person, and you know what is the answer? They will say, I wish I die in my sleep. So they will all say these words. Everybody says these words. And when the question of death is concerned, they will always tell you one more thing. I don't want to die just now. I've just retired. मेरी उम्र ही क्या है अभी? मुझे मेरे बच्चे देखने हैं, ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन देखने हैं, ये देखने। अच्छा तेरे को ये सब देखने का है? हाँ देखो, मैं आई हैव नॉट गॉन ऑन हॉलीडे एंटायर लाइफ, नाउ आई वांट टू टेक सम हॉलीडेज। मैंने यूरोप का टूर 21 डेज का टूर बुक किया है सीता ट्रैवल्स में से। अच्छा, so they will always tell you these, you know, they always have this very, very funny way of talking. First is the fear of death. Second is your own body. You are afraid of your own body. जैसे कि एक्सीडेंट होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, हड्डी पसली टूटेगी, मेरे को है ना बहुत बड़ी बीमारी हो गई है, आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर. लाइक यू लव टू टॉक टू पीपल, यू नो, छोटा सा कुछ रहेगा, नो, मेरे को है ना डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि है ना तुम्हारा जो डिजीज है वो 5 मिलियन में एक आदमी को होता है, एंड यू आर ग्लोरीफाइंग इट नो एंड. ओके, हैव यू सीन दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल? They exist in our material world. They are actually afraid, but they are making it into a glorification. And then there are those people in this world, they are afraid for their wives and children and this and that. समझ में आया? फिर उसके बाद मटेरियल पोजेशंस. मटेरियल पोजेशंस के लिए कितना हम लोग ये करते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी. किसी ने अभी तुम्हारा भाई बहन किसी ने तो भी बोला मेरा भी हिस्सा है इसमें, गए काम से. मतलब तू अभी बाप मरने के बाद, माँ मरने के बाद तेरे को हिस्सा के बाद याद आता है, पहले तो आती नहीं थी. अच्छा, so you will get this thing coming in. So that is again a fear of losing. Like this, there are multiple fears that we are there. One of the biggest fear is मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. You know, पर्स में पैसा नहीं है, बैंक में पैसा नहीं है, दुनिया में पैसा नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज द फियर. व्हाट इज द फियर ऑल अबाउट? यू गॉट हैंड्स, यू गॉट लेग्स, गो एंड डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. और कुछ नहीं हुआ तो बोले है राभा देता है क्या थोड़ा सा. अरे उतना ही गंदा तुम्हारा दिमाग है तो वो कर सकते हो. किसने बोला है? हाँ, उधर ऐसा पेटी बने ऐसा गाना भी गा सकते हो मांगता है तो. दे मेक मोर मनी बाय द वे. हाँ, सो फियर, ओवरकमिंग फियर, एंड देन you have to hold your mind in restraint. Now see how I was talking. I went from one branch to another branch to another branch to another branch to another branch. कितना कुदी मार रहा है. मंकी है ना, मंकी. कभी सोचो आप, मंकी को कुछ करने का भी जरूरी नहीं है, वो जंप करते रहता है. Have you noticed it? The monkey doesn't need reason for jumping. He just jumps. Yeah, he just jumps. तो तुमको क्या लगता है कि केला दिखाएगा तो मंकी जंप करता है? सॉरी, बगैर केले के भी जंप करता है. So you see, I told something just now. You show a banana, you think he jumps. A kela. No, he jumps akela. It doesn't even need anything. He is jumping without anything. Alone. He can keep on jumping. Ding, 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 ding. ये झाड़ से वो झाड़, वो झाड़ से वो झाड़. Mind is like that. Our mind doesn't even need reason for jumping. So no objects outside. We just sit in one place. ऐसा करके आंख बंद करके बैठो और देखो. कभी तुम्हारे थोबड़े पे स्माइल आएगा, थोड़ी देर के बाद ऐसा। क्यों? क्योंकि तेरे माइंड को जंपिंग चालू हो गया। All right, so it doesn't need anything to jump also. Our mind is like a monkey, it just keeps on growing from one branch to another, to another, to another. It has no need of a reason. The most unreasonable creature in our body is the mind. Doesn't require a reason. So, you need to hold it in restraint. बाजार में जाके एक ऐसा ये लेके आके उसका गले को लगा के एक रस्सी से बांध के रखने का उसको। रिस्ट्रेंट, रिस्ट्रेंट, यू नो रिस्ट्रेंट कभी देखा है? ये जो पागल लोगों को जो पागल खाने में कैसे रिस्ट्रेंट करके रखते हैं मालूम है?
लगाम डाल,
नहीं ऐसा वो स्ट्रैप डाल के ये वो, हाँ समझ में आया? बंजी जंपिंग कभी देखा है? बंजी जंपिंग कितना रिस्ट्रेंट लगाया रहता है। ऑल राइट, ओके। सो मैं होमवर्क देता हूँ, तुम लोग करते हो क्या? गुड। तो ये अभी आज एक मैं होमवर्क देने वाला हूँ। ओके, पिंक, PINK, पिंक, पिंक्स इंटरव्यू विथ ओपरा।
Okay.
You please watch it. It's a 10 minutes clip. It will tell you how Pink was doing her show. Okay, Pink with Oprah. Oprah Winfrey का वो उसका इंटरव्यू दिया था। Now, वो restraint. Anybody who is doing some bungee jumping or whatever is under restraint. So your mind also has to be put under restraint. सब बंजी जंपिंग कैसा करते हैं वैसा है ना, वो भी जंपिंग मारने वाला है, इसके लिए उसको रिस्ट्रेंट डालने का। What are the restraints? Everybody wants to know. This is the biggest question everybody has in the mind. How do you restrain the mind? My mind is very, very slippery. So how do you restrain the mind? The biggest word in our world is called sadhana.
log on to the Lord.
You have to do sadhana. Sadhana means what? You know, mummy told you to sit in the corner. Go sit in the corner. Look at the wall. वो जो डेनिस द मेनेस को 50 बार वो उसकी मम्मी बोलती है वो बिकॉज ही इज अ डेनिस द मेनेस, विच इज योर माइंड, डेनिस द मेनेस। वो बाजू का अंकल को देख के तो बहुत जंप मारता है अपना माइंड। तो यू हैव टू सिट इन वन कॉर्नर। व्हाट डज इट मीन? When you sit in the corner, you are focused only on one object. That is the wall, isn't it? So here in the sadhana, what we do is, we sit in a place quietly, nothing in front of you, no movement. So all these techniques that he was talking in the last 3 paragraphs are nothing but how to become this person without any thoughts. This is techniques, okay, what he's talking about. Sitting, keeping the Meru straight, you know, sitting like this, erect and all that, where you are not going to bother about your mind movement here and there. So sitting like that in that condition, and then you are focused on to that one single pointed thing. Okay, when you are learning, say, hypnotism and all, you are taught to sit in a dark room with one lighted candle, sitting in a comfortable position looking at the candle. This particular thing is called Trataka. Okay, Tratak we call it. So here also it is the same thing. It is nothing but sitting in one place, one pointedness, single pointed thought, no other thoughts in the periphery. So he is now going to tell you the next line. He says, holding the mind in restraint and fixed on me, one only. एक ही चीज को ऐसा फिक्स करके रख देने का, इसके पास देखते बैठने का। समझ में आया? एक ही चीज को ध्यान रखो, ध्यान एक ही चीज का होना, ठीक है? फिक्स्ड ऑन मी, मेरे ऊपर सिर्फ। कौन? मैं कौन बोल रहा हूं? कृष्णा इज टेलिंग यू प्लीज फिक्स इट ऑन मी अलोन, डोंट फिक्स ऑन समबडी एल्स। and the vigilant yogi should sit absorbed in me. Why vigilant? I told you just
Be
now ना,
aware.
मंकी को कोई जरूरी नहीं है, एक केले की भी जरूरी नहीं है, वो तो जंप करते रहता है. So be vigilant, don't jump. When you are focused on me. Suddenly you will find the mind is slipping away करके. अभी है ना कृष्णा के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, उसके बाद है ना उसका है ना ऐसा चेहरा देखने के बाद है ना वी आर लुकिंग एट द मोर पंख. मोर पंख देखने के टाइम पे बोलता है मैंने रमन्ना महर्षि के आश्रम में मोर देखा था, जंगल में मोर नाचा किसी ने ना देखा. फिर उसके बाद तुम बोलेगा आई वेंट टू द मैसूर जू, लॉट ऑफ मोर वर देयर. ओके, okay, that
Then you
reminds
admire the
me.
colors,
Yeah. And
the
then after
hues.
that you say, today I want to have Tahir Sadam. अरे मोर किधर से तैर सादम? हाँ या मोर मीन्स
Fires. Yeah.
तैर. अभी तैर सादम, अभी भूख लग रही है तभी तैर सादम. अरे कृष्णा से भूख लगने तक तू किधर पहुंचा? Can you see how your mind is going from one direction to the other and you don't even know you are sleeping. और फिर तेरे को पेट में है ना भूख लगने को लग गया. I should have eaten something before I sat for meditation. Now, tomorrow onwards I will eat a healthy breakfast and then I will sit. No, you eat a healthy breakfast and you sit in and you feel you should have gone to the loo first. I'm serious. You don't know what all your mind can make you do. It's going to catch you and it's going to take you around the world. So he says, you need to have this vigilance. The vigilance is important. Why as you are more become Tahir Sadam, I don't know. Don't make it like. दिमाग का दही बोलते हैं हम लोग उस चीज को. समझ में आया? दिमाग का दही बनाना. When you have nothing to do, you can think of all the possible things in the world. So here he says you should be vigilant. The yogi should never allow these thoughts to go away from me and should sit absorbed in me, completely absorbed in me. Absorption, you are soaked in me alone, nobody else. This is how the yogi should sit. Thus, constantly applying his mind to me, the yogi of disciplined mind attains everlasting peace consisting of supreme bliss which abides in me. This bliss is me alone. Remember, his name is Sat Chit Ananda. So when you are absorbed in me, you will be in the Satchit Ananda himself. And I am bliss. I am bliss incarnate. When you are lost in me, you will be bliss itself. So don't worry about all these things. So applying the mind to me. So focus everything onto me. Ekagra, एक direction, single pointedly मेरे यहाँ पे देखो. This yogi of disciplined mind, he has disciplined his mind. He knows how to discipline. He knows how to focus his mind onto one object. With everlasting peace. And there is complete peace. Because why? No desires, no monkey jumping here and there. You have overcome your mind, you have put your mind on restraint. Such a type of a person will get everlasting peace, which is in me alone. कृष्णा के अंदर जो पीस मिलता है ना, इस दुनिया में किधर भी नहीं मिलता है. तुम कभी सोच के देखो, कृष्णा के बारे में सोचो, गाना गाओ चाहे तो, नो प्रॉब्लम. कृष्णा का एक कृष्णा ने बेदना बारो मक्कू whatever that is, something like that he is singing. Okay, you can keep on singing that song forever, does not matter. You focus on to him. Whichever is your image, you may be having an image of a Bala Krishna, small Krishna. You may be having of a big Krishna. You may be having of a Krishna with a Radha, does not matter. राधा को निकल के तू बाजू में जगह खड़े हो जा. It really does not matter. At that time, don't say gopi. Okay? You see to it that your mind is not into all these things. So when you focus onto it, then you will find union with the Lord. Union with the Lord is the most amazing one. You have to focus on this. Don't focus on anything else. All right. अभी नेक्स्ट लाइन करूं कि अपना टाइम होने को आया? हाँ, नेक्स्ट लाइन करता हूं. या यू आर सेइंग समथिंग. व्हाट? कांट हियर यू. I will do till 18. Okay. Next line का. कौन गाना गा रहा है? हम
ये
लोग
आपने छेड़ा तो
अच्छा
अभी
ऐसा क्या? हाँ. Don't worry, we will have a long playing record. LP, HP, BP, TP. You know TP. You know what all these words stand for? The last TP मतलब क्या मालूम है? उस टाइम पे हम लोग ढिंकची का गाना ऐसे सब लगाएंगे. टीपी बोलेगा तो टाइम पास.
टाइम पास.
So Arjuna, this yoga is neither for him who overeats. सम्राट को बोल के रखना मांगता है. Nor for him who observes complete fast. It is neither for him who is given to too much sleep, nor even for him who is ceaselessly awake. So this yoga is meant for a person जो ज्यादा नहीं खाता है और कम नहीं खाता है. अपने को बीच में का लाइन में जाने का है. I told you right in the beginning, isn't it?
Moderation.
I said you have to do everything in moderation. You are not going to be hungry. I mean, पेट में खड्डा डाल के फिर तुम ये सब करने को मत बैठना. The monkey is going to go and occupy that khadda over there. All right. So don't get into this. So don't bother about eating. Don't bother about too much of eating. मतलब ज्यादा पेट भर के खाना खाएगा तो एक तो नींद आता है. ऐसा करके आंख बंद हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. तो तुम्हारा काय का होने वाला है मालूम नहीं. इधर कोई मेडिटेशन नहीं होने वाला है. You are going to be lost in your own stomach. My juices are flowing, they are digesting. यही होता रहता है. And don't bother about eating, not eating at all. No, you got to eat, boss. ये सब करने का है ना, तिगड़मबाजी तो खाना तो पड़ता है. So you got to eat moderately. Then जिसको ज्यादा नींद आती है वो भी नहीं कर सकता है. Yeah, I do meditation from 4 a.m. You know what? I sit in meditation and then I get up at 7 o'clock when the alarm rings. Good meditation you did. How many hours? 5, 6, 7. 3 hours of meditation. Yeah, last night I went to sleep at 10 o'clock and then I woke up at 3:30. Then I had a cup of milk and then you see it's written, no, you cannot have it with empty stomach. So I had a cup of milk. I ate about so much of, last night I had kept, I had kept something in the fridge that I ate in the morning. Then yes, see, Guruji has said you are not supposed to do with this empty stomach. So I did eat all this. I had a glass of milk also. Krishna loves milk. See, he said these words. So the Krishna in my stomach is now happy. So now I am going to sit. Okay, so he said sit in a comfortable position. मेरा वो जो सोफा सेट है ना उसमें वो जो क्या है वो एक हाँ वो रोमन एम्परर लोग वैसे है ना बैठते थे वो ऐसा है वहां पे मैं बैठूंगा. अच्छा. Yeah, it's very comfortable. See, of course the skin is there, all this kusa grass, all this I have kept all these things. How did you do that? I downloaded it from the internet. See, oh, the 3 layers you downloaded from the internet that I have kept there. बाजू में पानी का बॉटल है. अच्छा, good. And there are some nuts and chips also lying nearby because see, if I get up from my meditation, I need to eat something. I will be very hungry. And then now I am sitting in meditation. He said, keep your, my body is erect, don't worry. And now, one pointed focus. Yeah, I am focused now. Now let me meditate. And then, 2 मिनट के बाद चालू हो गया. And then at 7 o'clock the alarm rings. I am so fresh. I meditated the last 3 hours. Now I am hungry. I have to go to the kitchen and eat something. ये मेडिटेशन नहीं होता है भैया, ये इसको मेडिटेशन नहीं बोलते. So ceaselessly awake. I have been awake the whole night. गुरुजी said योग निद्रा में 10 मिनट निकालने का, उसके बाद तुमको जो करने का है करने का. I am awake 23 hours and 50 minutes. Now I can do meditation. वो तुम्हारा भी होने वाला है उस टाइम पे. Don't worry. कृष्णा इज वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट. बोला तेरे को ऐसा करने का है, मैं भी तेरे को सुला देता हूँ. तू भी क्या याद रखेगा, तेरा है ना 8 hours का मेडिटेशन कर देंगे हम लोग आराम से. So he is very chalu in this, okay? So don't bother trying to tell him, okay, I was in Yoga Nidra and all that. Yoga which reads one of woe is accomplished only by him who is regulated in diet and recreation, regulated in performing actions, and regulated in sleep and wakefulness. You have to be regulated in your diet, okay? It does not mean that you are going to sit with a kitchen scale, okay, and Tarla Dalal book saying that I am eating 120 calories. It does not mean, that is not called regulation. तुम्हारा पेट का कैपेसिटी कितना है मालूम है, उतना ही खाने का. अब परसों अगर आपने देखा होता हर हर महादेव, तो उसमें बोलता है, मम्मी उसको बोलती है गणेशा को, तेरे पेट का जितना कैपेसिटी है उतना खा. एंड गणेशा's पेट कैपेसिटी इज लाइक, ओह माय गॉड, पूरा दुनिया का खा सकता है, फिर भी है ना पेट में किधर जाके बैठ जाता है मालूम नहीं. तो हियर वी आर सपोज टू ओनली ईट दैट विच वी कैन, आवर स्टमक कैन टेक इन, नॉट मोर देन दैट. समझ में आया, मतलब रेगुलेशन करने का ऐसे. सो यू हैव टू सी टू इट. Recreation, in recreation, see, if you are used to seeing 2 serials per day, please see 2 serials per day, okay? You understood? It does not matter even if they are Kellogg's. I'm sorry, these are sicker jokes. If Pari was awake, she would say, Dad, what jokes?
Dad.
Yeah, I was telling you. So if you are used to 2 type of cereals also, you can have. Regulated in performing actions. Full day we are performing actions. And if you are going to bring your office ka problems in the middle of this in your meditation, you are finished. So don't bring all those things, okay? And regulated in sleep and wakefulness. You are regulated in your sleep. How many times we have told every other person, कल रात को मैं सोया नहीं. I was awake the whole night. And अगर मैंने उधर CCTV कैमरा लगा के रखा रहता ना, तो you were asleep 99% of the time. 1% of the time you woke up. Why? I'm feeling very hot. I should put on the fan. Tick. Toing. Feel. After some time, I'm feeling very cold. Now I need to take one chadar. After some more time, one chadar is not sufficient. I should take 2. After some time, you'll get up and say, I should reduce the speed of the fan. And then you will say, full night I was awake, It was so hot in the beginning and then it was very cold. अच्छा, वो तुम जो 10 सेकंड के लिए उठे, you were awake the whole night. I didn't know that. This is the regulated sleep means what? उधर बत्ती ऑफ हो गया ना, तुम्हारा भी बत्ती ऑफ. हाँ, अलार्म बजाना तभी तुम्हारा बत्ती ऑन होता है. ऐसा रखना बस. And don't bother about giving reasons. I didn't sleep the whole night. We all have this very funny idea that we have not slept the whole night. It is nothing but giving reasons. You are sleeping, boss. Okay, your mind was awake only for those 10 seconds, and those 10 seconds are covering 8 hours. Understood? And in wakefulness means when you are sitting in front of the TV or something like that, there's a boring serial going on. ऐसा कर रहे हैं हम लोग. The wakefulness. What is wakefulness? When you are awake, you have to be awake. You have to be focused in your world, isn't it? So you should be regulating these two also. Your sleep as well as wakefulness. जब भी सोना है तभी सोना है. अगर तुम्हारा नींद खाली 2 घंटे का रहेगा तो भी कोई हर्ज नहीं. 2 घंटा ठीक से सो, और बाकी का अगर 22 घंटा तुमको जागने का तो जागो. लेकिन वो 22 घंटे में अब मैं क्या करूं, अब मैं क्या करूं, अब मैं क्या करूं, ये मत बोलो. वो 22 घंटे का प्रोग्राम बना के रखो. समझ में आया? That means plan for those 22 hours that you are awake. Does not matter. Or if you are sleeping for 10 hours and the balance 14 hours you are awake, then don't worry about it. Plan for those 14 hours. Yeah. बोला 1 घंटा बाथरूम में. इसको प्लान नहीं बोलते. Planning for efficiency purposes. If you are awake, why are you not planning for efficiency? So plan to be efficient during the wakeful state. When the mind which is thoroughly disciplined gets riveted on God alone, then the person who is free from yearning of all enjoyment is said to be established in yoga. Riveted. Focus. एक जगह पे है ना, rivet करके रख दिया, बराबर ऐसा tie up करके रख दिया. So when you are focused in God alone, on me, he says. So when you are focused in a very, very single pointed way, you will find that this person is free from yearning of all enjoyments. He is least bothered about enjoyments. वो वहां पे कुछ हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. He is fixed onto me alone, and such a person is lost in me alone, isn't it? He is in yoga with me, correct? And only such a person is able to attain me. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग एंड करते हैं 18 नंबर में. Yeah, you have any questions, you can ask me. No questions? Okay, so now today technique, how to be lost in the Lord was taught. Okay, it's a very interesting way of doing. I mean, even if we are focusing for 10 minutes of the day, if we give only 10 minutes of doing this type of meditation, it will be worth it. You need not sit on some kusa grass and some deer skin and all that. No need. You can be sitting in your house on a sofa set, does not matter. You may be sitting in the kitchen, does not matter. Okay. No, not like the thinker. He was sitting on something else. Okay. He was thinking about hemorrhoids. I'm not asking you to think about all those things. So here it is thinking. You may be sitting in your sofa, you may be sitting in your bedroom, you may be sitting in the office. You got 10 minutes time, 5 minutes time, does not matter. Just focus on him. That's it. हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So I shall end over here. Huh? You have a very good day or a very good evening and take care of yourself.